Number one, we have this really sweet wallet stand from Supcase. Now, because Pixel phones now have Pixel Snap, you can basically use just about all MagSafe accessories. And so this is gonna stick around the back of your phone here. And it's got a really nice leather design, and this comes in different colors. Now the cool thing is it's multi-purpose, right? So one, it is a wallet, and it will allow you to have up to 5 cards in your wallet, which is great. And aside from that, this also folds down. So you can actually take your phone and you can sit it just like this. You can actually take your phone and rotate it really easy in the landscape position as well, which makes it really great when you just want to pop it down and watch a quick movie. Now, on top of that, what you can also do is you can pop out the card holder like this and use this as a stand. And now you can actually sit your phone up even higher. Now, this makes it even better when you want to video call, because now it's at a much higher level. And so this way, the phone is going to sit higher, and you can still rotate that phone into the landscape position to make it even better in terms of viewing your movies and different things. It also has RFID blocking technology, so when your cards are in here, you can rest assured that your cards are safe, and a scammer cannot just basically scam your credit cards because they're close to you, because this will block those signals. Okay, number two is going to be this magnetic USB-C cable. Obviously, your phone is going to come with a USB-C cable in the box, but with traditional cables, it's really hard to wind them up. But because this cable has magnets built in, it's really easy to unwind the cable, use it, and then you can easily just have it wind right back up just like this. Or if you need to take the entire cable out, it's really easy when it's time to basically clean it up to just start rolling it like this, and it will roll evenly back into that same shape for you. This makes it so much easier to travel with the cable and just slide this right into your bag and not have to worry about it being cluttered. It is a USB-C on both sides, and it also is a fast charger as well, so you can actually use this to charge like a laptop as well, or other devices that require faster speed. Okay, number three is going to be this sweet case by a company called Magbak. Now this case does so much more than the average case. First of all, obviously it does protect your phone. It's a very thick, rugged, and durable case. It has these built-in grips on the side here that are just really great for making sure you hold the phone secure and you don't have it slip out of your hands easy. These grips, along with the buttons at the top here, are also interchangeable. You can get different color grips and match them to what your favorite colors are. This cutout for the camera here is also interchangeable, so you could change that for a different color. There's a finger loop on the back, and so you can easily pop this out. And now it's super easy to hold the phone just like this. Now guess what? That grip, that finger loop, is also interchangeable as well. And they come in different colors like red, green, white. So you can really customize the phone to your favorite colors. There is a kickstand at the bottom as well, which makes it really easy for you to sit the phone up on a table in the portrait mode or in the landscape position as well, which is great. And last but definitely not least, this case has these 2 strong embedded magnets, so you can stick it to any metal surface. So you can like stick it on your refrigerator, for example. You can also stick it right above your stove, and you can use it to look at your directions while you're cooking. These magnets basically will let it stick on, again, any metal surface. And this is just a really sweet case. Not only is it going to protect your phone, it'll allow you to customize it to your favorite colors, and you just have basically everything you would need that's built right in. It also will come with a screen protector as well. Now, all the products I mentioned in this video, I will drop links down in the description, and many of them I do have discount codes, so you can get a better price than the normal price. All right, guys, number 4 is going to be this multi-charger from Magbak. Now, this is actually a complement accessory. If you have the case, you can also use this really sweet dock. Now, guess what? This isn't your average dock because it's actually a wireless charging floating dock. So guess what? My phone is going to mount right on just like that. On the back, I will have a slot to charge my Samsung or my Google Watch. And I also have a spot here to be able to charge my headphones. Here are my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And I can also just put these right on the bottom here to charge wirelessly. And here, I've got all my bases covered in terms of my main accessories. And this is such a great little charger for your nightstand to make sure that all your devices get charged overnight. The cool thing too is with the dock, you can actually take the phone off, and you can also again dock it in the landscape position as well. Now again, this makes it so great for when you're trying to fall asleep but you're not quite ready to go to sleep. You could take your phone and rotate it in the landscape position. It's still charging, and you can be watching your favorite show as you're drifting off to sleep. This is a great accessory for your Pixel 10, and is really going to just enhance charging all your devices at night. And you gotta love the fact that your phone can float wirelessly just like that and charge whenever you need it to. I'm actually probably going to put this on my desk, so that way I can use this as a little clock while I'm working, and I can have my phone charging when I'm not using it. Here's what it looks like when there's nothing on it. I also love the very slim and minimalistic profile of it as well. It just looks really nice. It has a great aesthetic, and it'll just blend in any environment, whether it's on your nightstand or it's on your desk. Next up, we have this really sweet travel charger from MFish. Now this has a built-in USB-C cable, so you actually don't have to carry a second cable. You can just, wind this out, charge, and then you can wind it back up. The cable will sit and go plush just like this. It also has two other ports on it. It has a USB-C and a full USB-C 2.0 as well. So this is really great for when you're traveling. You can see the prongs here do fold up, and this is just a great little thing to take with you when you go on trips, because then you can charge all your devices at one time. I've actually been using this as my nightstand charger, and it does support up to 65 watt charging. So it's going to be able to charge your Pixel at the max speed, which means you'll be able to use it faster and you'll spend less time on the charging dock. And I also just love the aesthetic. For those of you that are into like Star Wars and sci-fi stuff, they really have just a really fun aesthetic that they have put into the design here. And that's one of the cool things about MFish accessories. Now this also does have a discount code in the description, so make sure you check that link out if you want to pick up one so you can get that discount. Okay, next up we have this really sweet portable charger from Anker. This is my go-to charger that I do not leave the house without, because this is just the boost that you need if you ever run into those problems where maybe you didn't charge your phone the night before and you wake up and you have to run out of the house. You can pop this right into your phone, and this will give you that boost you need. I can usually charge my phone at least up to 75%, if not all the way through, just with popping this in. It does have a battery indicator on the front, so it will show you like how much battery you have left, so you always know when it's time to charge. I love that the USB-C just folds right up, and this thing can fit right in your pocket. It's just such a great go-to accessory. I also find myself using this at night. Even the days when I do get to charge the phone throughout the night, the battery will burn throughout the day. And you know what? I'm sitting on my couch and I'm like, no, I don't want to go plug my phone in because I want to keep using it. So this way I can just pop this right in, and this will allow me to continue to use the phone while it's giving me a little bit of a boost to get me to the rest of the night. So anyway, this is also a really great price. I think these are usually under about 40 bucks. And man, I would say this is such a great accessory to just keep in your backpack. You really should have multiple around, one in your backpack, one laying around your house, just so if you ever find your phone low on battery, it doesn't have to go sit in the charger. You can just pop this right in and start charging immediately. Okay, next up we have the Benks Armor Pop. Now this is such a clutch accessory because one, it is a pop socket. Who doesn't love a good pop socket? You can, easily hold the phone. Now that you have that Pixel Snap that is built into the Pixel 10, you can use all these accessories with or without a case. But it's more than a pop socket, because basically this ring will pop out. You can slide it around, and now you can easily pop your phone up, and you can have it stand up in the portrait position or stand it in the landscape position as well. So this is just such a great little accessory. The other thing is that it balances the phone out, because the camera bump is so big. When your phone sits on the table, it sits uneven. But now, because of this, it will actually sit and it will not rock while it's on a table. So it serves multiple purposes. It's super slim. It actually comes in different styles as well. And I just love this thing because I honestly was not a big pop socket fan for years until I use this little device here, and now I'm like, man, it's so easy just to be able to slide my finger into the back right just like that, and to be able to hold the phone and not have to worry about it slipping out of my hand. So that is the Benks Armor Pop, and again, it comes in a bunch of different styles. Really quick, I want to pause and say, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below and let me know in the comment section which accessory is your favorite and which one you're thinking about picking up. I'm curious to hear which one you like the best. Our next one is going to be the ESR Geo Wallet Case. Now, I'm all about wallet cases right now because I'm just in between wallets, and so I've been testing out so many different options. This is a really fun one. It is another MagSafe compatible wallet. Now, the difference is it's slimmer, it holds less cards, but that's okay. You can hold 2 to 3 cards in the back right here. It does have the built-in finger loop as well, so you can use that MagSafe to be able to hold the phone. Makes it super comfortable and really easy for just browsing the web. And this pops out, so you can also set the phone in the portrait position, and it makes it really easy for you to continue to use the phone hands-free. And you can also slide it in the landscape position as well. So obviously the difference there is that it only holds 2 cards. The first one we showed you holds 5, and it's a little bit thicker, so it just kind of depends on what you're going for and what you like. I actually used this one for a couple of months and really enjoyed it. And it was interesting to just carry 2 cards with me. So it just depends on, again, what you're going for and what you like. But I just love the fact that this has the thin profile and it has that finger loop in the back, which makes it easier to hold the phone one-handed. For the next one, we have this carbon fiber case from a company called Pitaka. Now, this is a really sweet case because it is so slim, it's so sleek, it just hugs the phone so well. Again, it's made of carbon fiber. It is also MagSafe compatible, so you can use all your MagSafe accessories over it. Has a really great slim profile. It's a very minimalist design, and it just really accentuates the curves of the Pixel 10. And if you're looking for a really nice minimalistic case, this is definitely one to consider. And last but not least, this is a really sweet accessory. This is a Y adapter. For those of you that still have those auxiliary headphones at home that you can't use anymore because the phone only uses Type-C on the bottom, with this, you can plug in this adapter to the Type-C port, and now you can plug in your traditional auxiliary headphones in this port here, and you can still plug in your charger here and charge simultaneously while you use your older headphones. So this is a really useful accessory here for those of you that are not ready to get rid of your auxiliary headphones, and it just allows it to work with the new USB-C only port. So this brings us to the end of our video, guys. I hope you got some value out of this, and I'm super curious to hear in the comment section down below what accessory was your favorite that I mentioned. Sadly, there were a lot more I was considering for this video, but I couldn't fit them all in. I just wanted to do 10. So I'm going to link a few more in the description below. So feel free to check out the full list in the description and in the pinned comment down below. And look out, because most of them are going to have a coupon code that will get you a better price than the average price. So make sure you jump on those discounts while you can. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.